What is asterisk args in Python? Asterisk operator is used to have arbitrary number of arguments in any function or method, and args or args is just a variable name. It can be anything, but using args has become convention. So when you use star args in any function parameter, it's used as a list inside function body. Let's look at an example. I'm creating a sum function here with star args as its parameter. In function body, I've taken a variable result which is set to 0. Next, I'm creating a for loop that goes through all the numbers in args and one by one adds it to the result variable. Finally, we're printing the result. Let's call some function with different number of arguments. In first call, we're passing 2 arguments. In second call, we're passing 3. And in the third call, we're passing 4 numbers to sum. Let's run it to see what we get in the output. And as expected, we get sum of all the variables we passed for all different function calls. So that was star args parameter for you guys. I hope you learned something, and see you in the next one.